Call steady when I can't have it. They don't want you happy.
Somebody, yeah, that's my Maserati going ham. No salami, that's your chick. If I like it, then I'm straight. Boat garden in a club. Where the bottles at rose.
Alright guys, what is up? We're back on NBA 2K, back on the my team, and as you see my VC, we got a lot of VC. So today we're going to be spending some of it on some packs. But right now, we got some prize packs, free packs, and we're going to open those first. So that's first pack of NBA 2K19, let's go. Let's see, get some good. Get some good. Oh, alright. Great start to NBA 2K19. A bronze player. Standard league pack. Oh, wait. Huh? Oh, we got Devin Booker though, but and what? Why, man? Oh, got a diamond shoe, bro. Troll is real. Next pack. Wilson Chandler. I'm pretty sure I already have him. Yep, I do. Send player to my action. Standard League pack. I watch people open packs and they've been getting some Amethysts and stuff like that. Avery Bradley, okay. So I'm expecting to get at least an Amethyst today in this pack opening. Emerald, Julius Randle, okay. Coming off the bench, but I mean, still an Emerald, not bad. Ooh, another Sapphire. Let's get it. Who is it? Clint Capella. Okay, starting center right there. Let's go. Alright, guys. That was all the free packs. And now we're moving on to this deluxe throwback 20 pack right here. So let's get it. Come on, let's go. Let's get some good. I like the animations this year. I like it. Starting off with a Sapphire. Okay. Derek Coleman. Ooh, a Ruby, okay. George Wallace. I know some people post some Amethysts, like Baron Davis. Ooh, another Sapphire. Good, that's good for a collection. Honestly, you just open this pack so you can get the collection reward, which is Baron Davis and Shane Battier. And Carter. Another Sapphire, okay. Derek Coleman, already got you. Oh. Another Ruby, okay. George Wallace, yeah. Cool. Emerald, good. Mike Bibby, okay. Another Emerald, Mark and Saul, good, good. And another, ooh, an Emerald and a Sapphire. Oh my. Tom Thibodeau. What she was still on the Bulls? Another Emerald. Alonzo Mourning, okay. Sapphire, let's go. And an Emerald. Good. Okay. There's Sapphire. Let's go. Jason Williams. Okay. Another Sapphire. Jason Williams. Okay. Another Sapphire. Kendall Gill. I'm pretty sure I got him. Another Sapphire. Tony Allen. Okay. Pulled him already. Oh my gosh. We just pulled an Amethyst. In the second to last pack, we just pulled an Amethyst. Let's go. Oh my. And a Ruby. Oh my gosh. Larry Johnson. We just pulled an Amethyst and a Ruby card. Oh my god. Alright, let's see who is it. Who is it? Come on. Let's see. Come on. Give me someone good. Charlotte Hornets. We just got Baron Davis. Let's go. Ooh. Let's go, baby. We got Baron Davis. Come on now. First pack of NBA 2K. We got Amethyst. Let's go. So let's open another one of this. We got an Amethyst on it. Let's open another one. Let's go, baby. Got Baron Davis. Sapphire. Couldn't go, or we got you. Come on, I need some Grizzlies. I need a Zach Randolph. That's what I need. Ruby. Okay, this could be it. Zach Randolph. I called it. Let's go. Okay, we need 2 more players. Emerald. Already have them. Gold. Kemba Walker, Greg Anthony. I think I already have those 2. 2 rubies? Oh my god. We only need 1 more player. Oh my gosh, okay. Another ruby? Larry Johnson, okay. Ooh, another ruby, okay. Ruby. Zach Randolph, let's go. We just need James Posey now. Jason Richardson. Okay. Sapphire. Okay, no go. Okay. Come on, give me James Posey. Ruby, okay. Larry Johnson again. Trash pack. Come on. Give me James Posey. Just ripping through these packs. Or just give me an Amethyst, Mike Bibby. Or just give me a Shane Battier, you know? I don't need James Posey. Just give me an Amethyst, 2K. Give me another Amethyst. Come on, Sapphire. Tony Allen. Come on, give me something. Come on, get a heat. Let's go. Sapphire. Tony Allen. Come on, give me an Amethyst again. Come on, you know you want to give it to... Come on, 2K. Give me another Amethyst. Come on. Give me another Amethyst. Last pack. An Emerald. No Amethyst in that. Last box for this video. Let's get it. Come on, let's get it. Come on, give me an Amethyst. Let's go. Come on. Amethyst. Sapphire. Al Horford, okay. Emerald. Mike Conley. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Another Amethyst. Holy crap. I wasn't even prepared for that. Who is it? Could be LeBron. I don't even know. It's a word.
Whipping on this double bitty chopper. We fuck all you bitches at the trapper. I can't trust you, I can't give you real address. I can't trust you, I can't give you real address.
Sapphire, let's go, baby. Rudy Gobert. Alright, that's good. Emerald again. Okay. Real crappy. Come on, last back. Give me some fire. Ruby. Okay, cool. I'm fine with that. LaMarcus Aldridge. Okay. Not bad. So, guys, as they're moving people around, this is what the final team looks like for now. To be honest, I like it. I like it a lot. You know, I got my career play right there. It's just a solid lineup. So if you want to see some gameplay on my team, just hit that like button, comment down below, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And
So, but my bitches say so,